We're gonna get some grilled vegetables here on, because I've got my first side done. All we're doing is we're gonna grill these on high heat. So we wanna cut them all the same size. That way we ensure even cooking all the way through. Cut the yellow zucchini here on the bias, which is just on the side here. There we go. Gonna get our veg on now, a little olive oil. There we go. Little pepper, little salt, season, season, season. Little oregano. Here we go. Rub that on. And a little basil, or basil, whatever you like. Rub that on also. One more little coat, just before we get on the grill. Little spritzer of oil here. There we go. And just dump. These are going to take another 5 minutes.
It's time to grill.
Time to cut up our grilled vegetables that we had on. Get these all onto this tray. Transfer it over. Here we go. Remember that garlic and oil that we had sauteing a little earlier? Now it's time to add all our vegetables. Woo! Listen to that sound. Let's get a toss in here. I'm doing a mixed grill medley here, but I need 2 more ingredients. Little canned tomato here. Put that juice in there, that's okay. All that's good. Some canned tomatoes all in there. Mix that around. And a little chicken stock. Moisten it all up and let that cook down and reduce. All those flavors will intensify. Now don't add any salt at this point because there's salt in the chicken stock. So let's mix this around. Wow, that's really good.